Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell non-player character cars in Grand Theft Auto Online. This guide focuses on the one reliable method to turn stolen vehicles into quick cash. We will cover everything from selecting the right car to navigating the selling process, ensuring you maximize your earnings. Get ready to boost your in-game bank account with these essential tips. To sell any non-player character car, you must visit a Los Santos customs shop. These are the only places in the game that will purchase stolen vehicles from you. Look for the distinctive spray can icon on your in-game map. There are 4 convenient locations across the map, including near the airport and in the Grand Senora Desert. Simply drive your acquired vehicle directly into the garage to open the service menu. Once inside Los Santos Customs, a menu will appear with various options. Scroll down and select the Sell option. The game will then display the amount of money you will receive for the vehicle. Confirm your choice, and the cash will be instantly added to your in-game funds. Remember, a car in perfect condition will always fetch a higher price, so consider repairing any damage beforehand. There are important limitations to selling non-player character cars. You can only sell 1 stolen vehicle per in-game day, which translates to 48 real-world minutes. Attempting to sell another car before this cooldown expires will result in a rejection message. Additionally, certain very expensive or too hot vehicles cannot be sold at Los Santos Customs. Be mindful of these rules to avoid frustration and optimize your selling strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.